Southern Indiana is getting ready for the snowfall too. Plenty of people are taking precautions for this weekend. Our Ian Hardwitt and photojournalist Connie Offit join us live from downtown Jeffersonville. So Ian, what can people expect to see this weekend there?
Connie, they can expect to see those brine trucks the next couple of days, and then Saturday afternoon the plows should be out here in Jeffersonville, Indiana. And you'll see that they're going to be on those main roads, especially as the snow is still falling. But something that you won't see in Louisville that they will be doing over here in Jeffersonville is getting to the neighborhood streets. They're just asking that people move their cars into their driveways if possible. The hardware stores, they'd like you to show up, and they do keep selling out, as we found today. Salt and water should keep Jeffersonville streets from icing over. Starting Saturday afternoon, snow will fall as quickly as it's plowed, says Street Commissioner Kevin Moreland.
It's going to be not a sprint, it's going to be a marathon. Ordered
in June of 2024, this new snowplow came in a year and a half later. The late Christmas gift joins a fleet of 15. 3 separate crews will rotate shifts for constant coverage throughout the weekend.
The last minor snowstorm we had, I followed our snow trucks down one lane, and by the time we came back the other side, it was already covered over.
Moreland has enough salt. Hoosier Hardware sold out. Still plenty of bladed snow shovels, but 300 salt bags went out the door by noon.
Oh yeah, stairs, everything.
But owner Tom Dinsford restocked by lunchtime.
It's kind of been a tradition for years because we go get White Castles while we're running back and forth.
A new tradition, the shop's been open 103 years.
5 gallons, 5 gallons, be right back.
Some Hoosiers have come to Hoosiers nearly their whole life.
Whatever I needed, I could probably get it here.
That's Harold Maltzby, loyal customer since 1948. He tapped out the 500-gallon kerosene tank out back. Another 500 gallons is scheduled to arrive Friday.
Ooh, it freezes me to death.
Maltzby's thinking ahead. Single-digit temperatures come Monday. He bought the last of 2 kerosene heaters. Keep these at least 3 feet away from flammables in a well-vented area and never leave it alone. Moreland hopes you stay home if you can.
Watch movies, watch Netflix, and spend time with the family, and let us get out here and do our work.
Now, Moreland said that in some of those tighter, more narrow streets that the drivers are white-knuckling those plows on the steering wheel. He's asking for people to have their cars on the streets moved out of the way so they don't get buried in snow. Live in Jeffersonville, Indiana, I'm Ian Hardwitt for WHAS 11 on your side.
Ian, thank you so much.